Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how you can inspect and set up your Lexus. Okay, and firstly we have to check these cars, these rear and front tires air pressure recommendation label, and this information is in this driver's side door side. And let's go to open driver's door. Okay, and then we have to look in these areas in here or in here, that there is this information that what is our car's air pressure amount. In this my car model, this label sticker is in here, very hidden. And let's go to look closer at that area. Okay, and this sticker, it looks like that. And next we have to read this amount. And there is like information that in what speed we normally drive. And I recommend this speed, what is this 160. This is like about 100 miles, this amount, this middle level data. This is like 100 miles per hour. And then we look that if there is 4 person and then 5 person. And I recommend that we install this full load, because then we have bigger these bars. And now we can see that in front area there is 2.5 and there is this symbol bar 2.5 bar, and this side that amount 2.5 in front, and in back area 2.8. Okay, and let's go to check these things. And if we drive higher than this 150 miles, then we have a little bit higher these 3 bars in front and 3.3 in rear. Okay, and then we go to take this air pressure tool. Okay, and when we look at my scale, we can see that there is now air 2.2 bar. And now when I press this switch, air goes in. And in here this amount have to be 2.8. And let's look my scale closer. And now we are in this rear area, and there is this my meter, and now we can see that there is 2.2, and when I press this switch, air goes more, and my target is this 3. So there air goes in, and now there is 2.7, more air. Now there is 2.8. Excellent. And now there is thing that I take this part away and I again test that what is this my pressure. And now there is 2.71, little bit more. And now there is 2.8. Excellent. And then firstly I press that in, and now release and off. Good. And final step, this protective cap hat in only with hands. And now this feel is ready. And this was in rear feel 2.8, and now I go to another side and I install in there also 2.8, and then we go to front tires.